Where you are from in India, uh, where you are studying right now, which country, course, university.
Yeah, sure. So basically, I'm from Mumbai. So I pursued my bachelor's in Mumbai in physiotherapy from MGM Institute of Health Sciences, and I came to UK to pursue my master's at Sheffield Hallam University in January. So yeah, I'm currently pursuing masters in physiotherapy at Sheffield Hallam University, United Kingdom.
Oh, that's great. So, which city are you there in the UK?
I'm in Sheffield currently.
Okay, so city is named Sheffield. How far is it from there?
Yeah. It's around 3 to 4 hour drive.
Achha.
Yeah, it's near Leeds. It's an hour drive from Leeds.
Great. So, how big is the city? It's like a well-developed city, or it's okay, tier 2 or tier 1?
Yeah, it's like fifth largest city in United Kingdom, Sheffield. Yeah, it's developed. It's kind of on a hilly region, so it's more of countryside. But yeah, it's good for students. It's the most student-friendly city in United Kingdom. It's cheap for students. The accommodations are really cheap here compared to other cities.
How do you manage accommodation? Like, is it a hostel or a flat, shared flat? Where do you live?
Yeah, so in Sheffield, the university provides student halls, so it's student accommodations. So it's very cheap. There are a lot of accommodations to choose from around the city, and you can choose one of them and stay there.
So, where do you used to?
So it's called the Fort. It's like 15 minutes walk from university, and it's sponsored by Sheffield Hallam University only. So yeah, it's a good accommodation.
So, you get your own room or you get to share room or what?
No, so basically you have options. You have 4 options like Ensuite, Premium Ensuite, and Studio. So basically in Ensuite you get your own room with a personal bathroom and a shared kitchen. And in studios you get a whole kitchen and room and bathroom to yourself. So you can choose from these ranges.
So, how much would these cost? Like, if you know?
Yeah, so if you, I'm talking about Sheffield right now. So Sheffield is very cheap. So in Sheffield, if you go for a bronze ensuite, you pay around £95 to £110 per week. And if you go for a studio or premium studio, you pay around £150 to £160 per week.
That's comparatively much lower than London and other cities, right?
Yeah.
Less
So
than half.
my friend stays in Manchester, so he pays around £150 for a bronze ensuite per week.
Yeah, it's almost half here. That's great.
Yeah.
So, how do you manage your food?
So I cook my food myself.
Okay.
So in UK, it's very easy to get Indian spices and Indian food, and also the vegetables and all. So it's not a big problem. You have Indian stores over there in UK, and you can find everything over here.
Okay, so like, how do you manage your day? What does your routine look like every day?
Yeah. So to like manage my lifestyle over here, I need to do a part-time job. So I have my university like 2 to 3 days a week, and I do my part-time job 2 to 3 days a week, and the rest of the time I do my studies, I complete my assignments, and on weekends I usually chill with my friends.
So, how would a day look like? You on the days you go to university, what time do you wake up? How would you do
Yeah.
your time?
Yeah, sure. So usually when I have my university, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning. I take a bath. I get ready for my university. Then it's like a half an hour walk to my university. So I reach my university around 9 a.m. Then we have our first lecture from 9 to 1 p.m. At 1 we have a lunch break. Then it's like a half an hour lunch break. Then after that we have a second lecture. It goes around till 4 p.m. After that we stay back in library to like revise what happened in lecture, and it goes around till 7 p.m. Then we come home for dinner. We have our dinner. Then again we chill with our friends and then go for sleep. That's it.
Oh, that's great. That's a good covered day. So,
Yeah.
how much would be the fee like for the entire course?
Yeah, so I am doing a 1.5 years course, which is costing me around £16,000.
Okay. And how much would be your monthly expenses?
Monthly, if I cover everything like parting, food, and everything, it goes around £200 per month,
That's it.
excluding rent. Excluding rent.
So rent is part of the 60,000 or other than that?
No. It's not part of 16,000. It's just the college fees, £15,000. If I include rent in my monthly expenses, it goes around £350 to £400 per month.
Still, it's good amount only.
Yeah.
So after doing this course, do you get the license to do physiotherapy in India as well?
Yeah. So the UK license and Indian license are valid vice versa. So even if I have an Indian license, I can work in UK. I have to apply for a HCPC license, and my Indian license is already valid with the Indian degree and UK degree as well.
Oh, that's great. How has been your experience with Niyo?
Yeah, sure. So basically, when you come to UK at first and you don't have a UK bank account, so the Niyo cards come very useful. It's very handy. So if you want to go out, buy any groceries, or if you want to go out, eat any food, so the Niyo card comes in handy. Like when I came to UK, I remember it was my second day and I was very hungry. I didn't have any utensils or stuff to cook as my parcel was not here. So I went to McDonald's, for example. So I just used my Niyo card as I was using a UK card. So I just tapped my Niyo card on the machine and it worked. And my money got debited from my Niyo card in INR and it got converted in pounds, and then it showed me the whole receipt. And also I got the TCS refunded back in like 2 or 3 days. So yeah, it was very useful. I used Niyo multiple times in Poundland, Sainsbury's, McDonald's, and Iceland, Primark to buy multiple stuff. So yeah, it's very useful.
Great, man. So great that you are enjoying using the Niyo card. Hope
Yeah.
you would suggest to your upcoming friends how we can help them save money. So
Yeah, sure.
Looking forward to speaking with you again in few months. Let's see if you have some new experiences.
Yeah, sure. That's fine.
Thank you for your time, Rishabh.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye.